Alex from windowcleaner.com. We know that towel preference is something that people really feel passionate about. Just like squeegee rubber, just like soap and other additives, towels are not all created equal, and everyone's got their own preference, whether it's Huff Towel, Scrim, microfiber, what have you. We made this nice, easy to choose from towel sampler kit. You can get yourself this sampler kit. You have an Ettore, Pulex, Fish Scale, Unger Ninja, and Squeegee Towel in here to try them all. See what you really like best. Some microfiber is going to be great for removing little smudges left over on the glass. Some are great for detailing. Some are going to pick up some extra water. Some are good for just cleaning out windowsills. Buying a sampler kit like this is going to let you experience a little bit of everything, find what works best for you, what you really like, and what fits your budget. So be sure to check out the towel sampler kit. Pick up a Squeegee Life towel, an Unger Ninja micro wipe, Fish Scale, Pulex, and an Ettore microfiber towel. Great options. Check them out at windowcleaner.com.